The new girl Chrystie. Beautiful girl from a small town. She named Chrystie. She is only speaker English. Only speak English girl as Chrystie. Chrystie subway station next to Soho fashion show. The girl Chrystie Smith. The high school girls have 1 million fashion countries work. She have beautiful American face. It is Soho Smith. She on the Soho fashion magazine's girls this month. She is new girl this month. She have magazine's face. She on the internet. She very make money. She's 18-24. Countries ages. She like office. She same face the office girl. Surface Smith. It is new girl, it is Chrystie. She is new girl in the city. Chrystie only speak English. She is American. She like New York City. Soho fashion girl and Macy's Bigster shopping center. Big city.